Hello there, my name is Citron from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about one of our beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe's. Hands down our most popular vehicle here on the lot. We have plenty of different color and trim options to choose from. I'm excited to show you the one that I got pulled up right behind me, okay? So in the front, folks, a beautiful honeycomb grille with the smart cruise control. We got the LED wraparound headlights, we got the daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen filled tires. You got your blind spot detection in the mirror. Well, let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, premium cloth throughout the whole vehicle. A 7-inch touchscreen display equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your drive mode select and a ton of safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and of course your cruise control. But folks, the best part is about our vehicles are the warranties. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, coupled with a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty, unheard of. My name is Citron. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. I'll be the one working with you. I can't wait to meet you, test drive this gorgeous vehicle with you, and make the numbers make sense to earn your business. Give me a call. We're here till 8 o'clock. Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.